Hey, this is Market Moves. I am currently in a live trade, want to share it. Unfortunately, it moved really quickly, so I'm just gonna take my profit now. But yeah, I'm trading the Tesla calls. Tesla's been moving a lot lately, so I figured I'd hop in when it was moving down. So I'm gonna go to TradingView, kind of show you the setup, what I'm thinking, and kind of the play. Basically, a lot of volatility came with Tesla, and I just traded this pop lower. I got in around the middle here, 287, and I got a put in. So unfortunately, this is probably one of the shortest trades I'll be in, and I put it at 10.6, so I should get out pretty soon, honestly. I'm thinking it's going to play around here. It's not going to go much lower than 10 or 284, so this might be where I'm going to get out of my option. If you haven't, TradingView is a free platform, free for options. I pay $3 per option contract on TD Ameritrade, and this is completely free. So I am done with paying, and I totally love using this platform now. And if you want a free stock, check the link in my bio. I put out videos all the time, so you should be able to learn how to trade and learn the system of Robinhood. And yeah, if you want to get started in all this is the best way to do it. Just jump right in. So right now, we did get a big bearish candle, and I want to get out, but I haven't got hit. So I'm going to try to end my order and redo another one. This is the only downside, is it's really slow, so if you got to get in and out of a trade, it's almost impossible to do it quickly. So I'm going to replace the order, and let's see what's happening. So I'm thinking we're going to just hang out here and yeah, bounce off this 284 level. So I do want to get out so I can seal my profit. I'm going to try to get 10.2. We'll see if that can happen. So I just replaced that order. And now I have an order in for 10.2. So I did miss it by about 10 cents or $10, just like last time. With options, this number is multiplied by 10. So one contract holds 100 stock. Most of the time you have 100 leverage, but right now this is times 100. So you are working with leverage with options. You can lose all your money very quickly. And right now, basically, I'm just timing a quick move. So I'm hoping to get just $100 here, $100 there. And I got in at about $9. So right now I'm up $70. At the lowest point of this trade, I was up about 150. So I would like to get out of this soon. It does look like it's going to reverse. So I may have to decrease my order just to get out quickly. We'll see. So what could happen is just this pops back up really quickly, and that does look like it's going to be the case, honestly. So I just want to get out of this. I'm waiting for the next pullback, and that could be a while. So yeah, this dropped down, hung out here, and now it's popping back up. But so Tesla is going through a lot recently, and it's looking very scary as a stock to hold, and people are quick to sell. The volatility is just insane recently. So I'm quick to put a put on when some news comes out and it looks bearish. And this is a very bearish candle right here. So I'm not sure if we're going to finish the day like this, but we will see. So it still looks like we're hanging out at this 286, 285 level. So just waiting, and not much movement in the option. We are getting close to the price I got in at, so that's not something I like to see. Sometimes you have to cut a loss. It happens. So I'm just going to get my phone ready in case I have to replace the order. And I like to check out what the general market is doing so I can kind of understand if it's going to be pulled a different direction. And the market is swinging lower at the moment. So it's going to be putting pressure on Tesla to fall lower. Until the market reverses, Tesla's not going to jump as much. So this market is popping down. Yeah, market is down. So I'm going to stay in this trade. We are getting a small move. I unpaused the video and went back to the trade, hoping this would be the mother of moves so you could see how I get out and what I was planning on doing. If this drops below the 284 level, I'm hoping it hits the 282 level. And these are small numbers, but they mean a lot when it comes to the option price. As you can see, I just went from 950 to 1020, and that's a $70 swing and almost a couple cents on the option. So I'm hoping it's going to get a big volume pump and drop to this 282 level. The direction does look downward for this, so I'm not too quick to get out of this trade anymore. I was thinking it wasn't going to head this way, but now I do. And yeah, I do think we'll see the trade play out really quickly. So the hard part now is just getting the right exit. So I do want to pick the correct one. This pop is happening right now, so I got to get out at the right time. Unfortunately, timing the options on Robinhood is next to impossible, and it's super frustrating. But right now, I'm up almost $200, and that's a good day to me. I don't really hope for more. I just hope to time a quick trade, a quick move, and do it well. So here we are, still going lower, 283. I'm watching it on my screen, my cell phone screen as well. So I'm going to hop out of this thing at 11:30. I don't care if I get hit too late or not, but I just want to put my order in, honestly. And we're at 283, and I'm not filled yet. So I'll let you know when I do get filled. I just put in the order. This will be about a little more than $200 on the day. And I think I might have set it a little too aggressively, honestly. So I'm going to change that. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I'm going to change it just $5 lower. So let's refresh, see what's happening. All right, I was hit. If we go down, you can see I sold it at 11.25, and I bought it. It does not say, but I bought it at 900. And as you can see, I'm missing profit, but it's not the worst thing in the world. It is hitting this 282 level, which I was hoping it was going to do. So hit my target. This was a good trade overall. And unfortunately, I'm on a streak, so you don't get to see me lose money. But if you haven't, please check out Robinhood. It's a great way to trade for free. I would be spending $3 on this trade. Instead, I take that $3, I go buy a couple Big Macs or whatever you buy at McDonald's for $1, and boom, look at we're even popping higher, missing out on some more profit, but I don't care. That's $50, but that's what happens when you're a trader. You have to let go of what could have been and just be happy with what you have. So Robinhood, free stock. If you sign up with my link in the bio, check it out. Use that free stock to dive into this stuff and understand it more. This is Market Moves signing off. Peace.